Okay, this is Tyler with Pro Drain. We are at 2891 Dellwood Drive in Lake Oswego. We're out 96 feet from the cleanout that is in the backyard. This line goes turns to the south over to the fence line, and then ties in with the city main. City main runs down the fence line from Dellwood Street. It goes from Dellwood Street down the fence line to the west. So this is, if I think I got my directions right, the house is facing the east and the backyard is to the west. So this line runs to the west from the backyard. Before it gets to the neighbor's driveway, it turns towards the fence, and then it connects to the main sewer line along the fence. This spot is marked in white paint, and it's 96 inches deep. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this line back to the house. A little bit of cobwebs there. This is concrete sewer pipe. Some cobwebs. Okay, so at this point the line is running back along the property line between the two houses on their driveway. Okay, so here we turn. So we were going from the fence, we were going to the north, and now we're turning to the east, back towards the back of the house. It appears, can't see because of the roots, but this is either a 90 degree turn that's taking us over towards the fence, or it's a Y. It looks wet on the side of the pipe, so I don't know that it's connected to any other sewer line, but it possibly could. As I say, once we turn here, you can see there are roots coming in that joint. It has the corner. So we've got a 45 that comes around, and then there's the roots, and it 45s again over towards the fence. So I got this spot marked in white paint. It's 66 inches deep, and it's just before you get to the neighbor's driveway. These roots, it's like they're getting in from probably from the joint there as it connects to the next joint, but yeah, this line, this spot will need to be dug up and those roots removed and the pipe resealed so the roots can't get back in. So now we are going to the east, which is back towards the back of the house. So here we make a transition from concrete pipe to cast iron. So here's the clean out in the backyard. And the line runs down the back towards the neighbor's driveway. Right before it gets to the driveway, that's where the broken spot is. Well, that's where the roots are getting into the pipe. The rest of the sewer line appears to be in good condition. It is older concrete with some wear, but serviceable and no problems except for the one spot with the roots. It is marked in white paint. It is 66 inches deep, so it's about 5.5 feet deep, and that will need to be dug up and repaired. The access around the side of the house for small equipment is very tight. I doubt that would work, but there is easy access from the neighbor's driveway. There is a small tree next to the spot. It may need to be removed. And there are some holes in the ground, which could be rat holes, but it's hard to say. Could also be just moles. But right above the spot where it's marked in white paint. So that concludes our inspection of 2891 Dellwood Drive in Lake Oswego.